Welcome. Today you'll learn how ChatGPT can plan your day, keep you organized, and help you get more done without stress. Begin by asking ChatGPT to outline your morning. It instantly organizes your priority tasks, helping you start with clarity and focus. ChatGPT can break large tasks into simple steps, or even generate tailored templates so you stay focused on what truly matters. Ask ChatGPT to create time-blocked schedules. It helps you balance focus work, breaks, errands, and personal time with ease. Use ChatGPT to generate reminders and follow-up prompts you can paste into your phone or calendar to stay on track all day. Finish strong by asking ChatGPT for an end-of-day review. It helps you analyze what worked and plan a better tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, QuickGuides, to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.